Hey everyone, welcome back to the Online Pastry Schools YouTube channel where we're going to answer all your questions on pastry and baking. So today's question that we've just got in is the baking powder gluten-free? To answer it, we kind of just have to look quickly at what baking powder is made up of. So usually in baking powder, you'll have three things. Bicarbonate soda, cream of tartar, and the third ingredient is normally something like corn flour to absorb moisture. But this can change depending on the manufacturer, so just please have a look at your ingredients list before you use it, especially if you're cooking for someone who has an allergy. If it's just corn flour, then that's fine. Gluten-free diet is fine for that. But if there's any gluten in your baking powder or the person has a corn intolerance, you can make your own baking powder really easily by mixing 2 parts of cream of tartar with 1 part of baking soda. And then you can just mix that really well together and then use that the same way as you'd use baking powder. And at the risk of this being a really short video, that's a kind of a straight answer to that. I don't want to go around it too much. It is gluten-free, but make sure you check, and you can make your own if you need to. But if you want to find out more at pastry and baking and have a look a bit more about the theory, then click the link in the description below to visit the Online Pastry School. To have a look at the video lessons and also our knowledge base. We've got a bit more theory on there about pastry and baking. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a few more videos like this. And leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll try and get back to you next week. All right, see you soon.